Welcome to the channel. Hey y'all. Don't mind me, don't mind the background. Corona has forced me out of town, so I'm leading a totally different lifestyle right now. Just a regular cowgirl, okay? Okay, so bear with me. Now, spring is almost over, which means that it's exam time. And you may be wondering how to get ready for your English language exams. I have taken lots of such exams and I've worked out some tips and tricks that could help you do well in an English language exam. For your convenience, I will present the tips and tricks in the form of 3 frequently asked questions. And yeah, I should warn you, I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm not going to try to make things easier than they really are. I will tell the naked truth, so be ready for that, because the naked truth is not that glamorous. Now, without further ado, let's cut to the chase. How long does it take to get ready for an exam? Well, it depends. I would say that the key element here is your effort. If you are very motivated, if you are willing to invest a lot of effort in your preparation, for instance, like spend several hours a day preparing for an exam, then obviously you will get ready within a very limited, short period of time. If you are not willing to bury yourself in your books and to study really intensively, then it will take longer. And another thing to point out, you should be realistic. If you want to go from A1 to C1 within a month, then it's next to impossible, unless you are a genius. Okay. The next question, what are the best strategies for exam preparation? The strategies are determined by the language system you are working on. For instance, if you want to improve your grammar, then a good idea would be to learn the grammar rules properly, or at least to study them in detail, and to do as many exercises as you can in order to practice the rule. And the key word here is many.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Okay, you should start with the simple repetitive exercises and then move on to something more creative to free your practice. And if your objective is enhancing your vocabulary, then be ready to learn a lot by heart.
No! No!
Okay, frustrating may it sound, but if you want to master a language, not just to be understood, but to master a language, to learn it properly, then you have to learn a lot by heart. It involves a lot of cramming. So be ready for that as well.
No!
And a good idea would be to learn pieces of text. I mean, not just individual vocabulary units, but vocabulary units in context. So it could be anything from the most common collocations, phrases, to a piece of authentic text, okay? In a nutshell, a hard drill makes an easy battle, or an easy exam. Is it necessary to attend courses or to hire a tutor? Well, I would say it depends on your language level. If you're anything from elementary to pre-intermediate, then yes, I would say it's a good idea, because you need a lot of guidance in terms of grammar. But if you are intermediate and higher, then the only reason to hire a tutor or go to some courses would be the need to get to know the exam format. Exams are different and their criteria are different too, and it is very important to comply with them, especially when it comes to writing and speaking. So yes, if you are unfamiliar with the criteria, then do go to the courses, do hire a tutor. But if you are advanced and if you are a mature student who is motivated, then you can just buy a book and prepare without any tutors, okay? And don't make the mistake of thinking that if you've hired a tutor, then you are doomed to succeed. It doesn't work like that. Unless you work hard yourself, unless you study hard, no tutor in the universe will be able to help you. That will be it for today. Hope I haven't frustrated you too much. In fact, hearing the hard truth is unpleasant, but it is very motivating. So don't waste your precious time, roll up your sleeves and get to work. And don't forget to englicate yourself from time to time. If you have more tips and tricks in terms of getting ready for exams, then feel free to share them in the comment section. If you have more questions concerning this topic, write them in the comment section. Yeah, bye. Okay, now, in a nutshell, a hard drill makes an easy battle. Brilliant. Da!